Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series. So this is going to be an exciting video. In this video, we will write our first Python program. That is, we are going to print hello world in the terminal. So without any delay, let's get started. There is nothing much to discuss about why we write hello world in Python. That is basically a general norm where we write hello world when we learn any new programming language. So the motto can be like we are introducing ourselves to the world of that programming language. So without discussing any further, let's go to the VS Code and write hello world. Welcome to VS Code. Here we are going to learn how we can write hello world in Python. So first of all, I will write a comment print hello world in Python. For better looks, I will put this hello world within a pair of quotes. Okay, now how do we write it? It's very simple. Just write print. Within print, put a pair of parentheses. After parentheses, put a pair of double quotes and write hello world within it. So once you have written this code, what should happen is you need to execute this Python code. And how do you do that? You go to the top, open the terminal. Once the terminal is open, you write Python and then write the name of the file. So here we are writing this print hello world within the file name 2.py. So I will write 2.py. And when we press enter, you will see the program has run and we can see hello world on our terminal. Okay. So this is pretty easy and that's how we print general strings in Python. Basically, we have a print function. Within it, we can specify within a pair of quotes what we want to print in the terminal. Suppose if I again want to write print welcome to TIH and then I put two quotes, and if I again execute this Python code, you will see we are going to see hello world and then welcome to TIH. This is pretty easy and I hope the concept of printing any string or any value in Python terminal is very clear with you. In case that is not so, please let us know in the comments. We will help you out. And in case you need any documentation, we have our website set up. So I will provide the link of that website in the description section. You can go and check it out and that will definitely going to help you. Okay, let's go back to the slide. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.